everyone. I'm Dr. Sandra Fay, president of the American Veterinary Medical Association. We're getting closer and closer to my favorite event of the year, AVMA Convention. And as you probably know, this year's convention is taking place July 18th through the 22nd in Washington, D.C., held in conjunction with the World Veterinary Association Congress. AVMA Convention has always been an event that welcomes all types of veterinary professionals. Whether you're a large animal veterinarian, a veterinary technician, practice manager, teacher, and everyone in between. We welcome all types of people too, and will continue to provide the necessary amenities you need throughout the event while learning the latest in veterinary medicine and reconnecting with friends and colleagues. Everyone is welcome at AVMA Convention and the WVA Congress because we are united for the veterinary community. And Washington, D.C. is rolling out the red carpet for every single attendee. Here is Elliot Ferguson, President and CEO of Destination DC, to share what the city has planned for us this summer.
Hello, I'm Elliot Ferguson, President and CEO of Destination DC, the convention bureau in Washington, D.C. On behalf of our amazing city, we're excited to host the AVMA Convention and the WVA Congress here in Washington, D.C. And we're excited about it for so many different reasons. We're a city with several green spaces, lots of history, and of course, everyone has pets. And in an urban city like Washington, D.C., that's a huge part of the landscape here in Washington. The friendly neighborhoods, the culture, the vibrancy of our city resonates for those of us who live here in the city. Now, yes, we're a political hub, but we're more than that. We're a diverse destination. And I'm thrilled to welcome you esteemed veterinarian professionals to our nation's capital, where your dedication to animal health aligns with our love for pets and our commitment to creating a city where they thrive and live.
Thank you, Elliot. We can't wait to experience all that DC has to offer. Make sure you register by June 10th to save on early bird pricing. And I can't wait to see all of you in July.